The 2026 Salem Hemisphere ROOST43 is a destination-style fifth wheel designed to feel like a modern home on wheels. The exterior features a tall profile, clean sidewalls, and large windows that stand out at the campsite. Inside, the main living area includes a comfortable couch. Across from it, the TV and fireplace. A set of stairs leads up to the loft, providing extra sleeping or hangout space that works well for kids, guests, or storage. The kitchen and dining area include a table that works for meals, games, or everyday use. The sink and counter area offer prep space and a deep sink for easy cooking and cleanup, with additional cabinets nearby for dishes and supplies. The stove has surrounding countertop space, with a microwave above and more cabinet storage for kitchen essentials. A pantry provides shelving for food and bulk items, and the fridge holds groceries and drinks for longer stays. The main bathroom includes a toilet, a sink with mirror and cabinet storage, washer and dryer space, and a roomy shower, creating a complete residential-style bath and laundry area. Toward the front, an additional loft features a king-size bed, serving as a second upper sleeping space for family or guests. The main bedroom offers a king-size bed for a spacious, comfortable place to sleep. A large dresser across from the bed adds generous storage for clothes and personal items, while an extra surface in the room can function as a desk for work, getting ready, or additional storage. A TV pulls down from the ceiling, providing entertainment when needed and stowing away neatly when not in use. Connected to the bedroom, the private bathroom includes a toilet along with a sink and mirror area. The 2026 Salem Hemisphere ROOST43 combines lofts, a spacious living area, a practical kitchen, one full bathroom, and a bedroom with private bath to create a comfortable, home-like destination fifth wheel.